Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 and 11, including of course your mouse with some methods. First of all, you have to press the Windows key and go to Control Panel. Here in Category, choose Large Icons. Then go to Power Options. Click and change when the computer sleeps. After that, and change Advanced Power Settings. This screen will show up, and now you have to find something called USB Settings. Press the plus option to expand, and then expand the other tab that will show up, named USB Selective Suspended Setting. Now here on the setting, you're going to click and choose the disabled. Click apply and then OK.
Did it work for you? If this step did work for you, please leave a comment below. If not, let's go to the next.
Go on computer, click on this PC. Now you're gonna have to click in your local disk C or the disk that is installed in your Windows. For me it's installed in the local disk C, so I'm gonna click it. Search for Windows. Click on it. Now you have to find for something called INF. Click to open. Here on the right side, write WPDMTP. Click on the right button and go to install. This screen will show up telling that the operation completed successfully. Then you're gonna click OK and go to restart your computer or laptop.
Hey, did it work or not? Let me know in the comment section. But if in any of the steps didn't work for you yet, let's go to the other way to solve this issue.
So now let's go to the method number 3. And this number 3 is in case of you bought a pen drive or ADD or a new SSD and installing your laptop or computer and it still doesn't show up. That method will solve this issue. So click on Windows and write Disk Management. Here you will just search for the disk that matches with the hard drive that you just brought. You can check it by its size or the letter that you didn't have before. Let's suppose for me it's the C. You're going to click on it, click on the right button and go to change drive letter and paths. Here you can do in two ways. You can go and add and choose the assign the following drive letter, or you can go to change and then this option will appear. You're gonna have just to change the letter and then press OK. That way the drive that you bought will appear in your computer or laptop just in the time. Those ways will solve the problem. Now let's go to the method number 4. Click on Windows and write Device Manager. Now find the Universal Serial Bus Controllers right there. Click to expand and go to USB Root Hub. Click on it and go to Update Driver. You maybe doesn't have the best updated drives installed and it will fix. For me, I already had, so it doesn't work. Now the method number 5 is in case your USB mouse isn't working. For that we are going again on the Device Manager. Then you're trying to find the option called Mice. Select the AED compliant mouse and do the same as the last method. Click on it and go to Update Driver. Search automatically for drives. And if that doesn't work, you go to the option still in the Device Manager. Click with the right button in the same place and go to Unistall. Now go to the first option here on the desktop. Click on the right button. Click on Scan for hardware changes. And now see if it's working. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe in our channel. If you want to help me to keep making those videos helping you guys, there will be ways to contribute in the description below. Leave a comment if I helped you or not, and I see you in the last video.